Yeah. To the fishing.
That's right.
Wow, it's amazing.
It's a good sized fish.
This one will be challenging.
Quite good reel, see. It's not a bad first up cast. Oh, he's coming at it.
Oh, he's coming, he's coming.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh!
Let him go, let him run, let him run, let him run, let him run.
Woo!
Let him go.
Yeah,
Good stuff.
yeah.
Slowly walk downstream with your rod upstream. So you lay your rod to the right, keep
The
walking
right,
this way, that's
yeah.
way, and you keep walking down. Good girl. Just a short line's a good thing to have, that's all. Good, bit more pressure.
More pressure.
Just about right there. Just keep working him over. That's right, you let him go if he wants to.
Woo! Do we get him? Please! Great! Huh?
So
Did
say-
you get it? Huh?
Well done.
Wonderful!
Well done.
Wow! Whew. 6 pounder. He wants to go. Say bye-bye. Okay, buddy. Oh, slowly. Woo! Wonderful. Yes.